Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to win more deathmatch matches in COD Warzone Mobile. Well, to do that, choose the right loadout. Select loadout that suits your playstyle and complement your team's composition. Having a balanced loadout ensures you're prepared for any situation that comes your way. Prioritize map control. Control key areas of the map to dictate the flow of the match. This allows you to limit enemy movement and set up ambushes effectively. Communicate with your team. Communication is key in Team Deathmatch. Use voice chat or text messages to coordinate with your teammates, call out enemy positions, and devise strategies for victory. Stick together. Strength in numbers. Stick with your teammates to overwhelm opponents and secure kills more efficiently. Lone wolves are easy to target for enemy teams. Utilize cover. Take advantage of cover to protect yourself from enemy fire and minimize your exposure. Peek out to take shots and retreat to safety when necessary. Reload safely. Reload your weapon when it's safe to do so, preferably behind cover. Avoid reloading in the open, as it leaves you vulnerable to enemy attacks. Aim for headshots. Headshots deal extra damage and can secure kills more quickly. Practice your aim and prioritize aiming for the head whenever possible. Use score streaks wisely. Earn a deploy score streaks strategically to turn the tide of battle in your favor. Coordinate with your team to maximize their effectiveness. Watch your flanks. Always be aware of your surroundings and watch for enemy flanking attempts. Assign teammates to watch different flanks to prevent surprise attacks. Adapt your loadout. Adapt your loadout based on the flow of the match and the tactics of your opponents. Switch weapons, perks, and equipment to encounter strategies effectively. And that's how to win more team deathmatch matches in COD Warzone Mobile. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.